This brand new, single-level home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style, featuring 3 bedrooms and an open floor plan with high ceilings. With no stairs to navigate, this home is designed for easy living and includes modern finishes such as LVP flooring and sleek quartz countertops. The primary suite offers a private retreat while the living areas are perfect for entertaining. Relax on the covered back patio or enjoy the natural open space behind the home, complete with scenic walking trails throughout the community. The yard has a sprinkler irrigation system. Located in a dog-friendly neighborhood, this home is close to the US/Canada border. Limited time savings of $5,000 West/seller and 75% lender credits with our preferred lender.